This this is the upper floor of my son's cabin, which is his workshop. That's a CNC machine he's working on. He built one before, but he disassembled it to make it better. And then he builds 3D printers. I think he has like 10 right now. And he started a business. So that's used to be his workhorse, but he has a new one now. And this one does higher temperatures. And then it's hard to see, but this is a recycling station where you can recycle plastic. And that's a Delta 3D printer. And he has resin printers, and he has printers all over the place here. This is still behind the house. This is a firewood storage I built, and you can see all the. This is actually my son's construction material, so most of it is my son's, or one of my sons. And so all this construction material will be going into that new room I'm building. And then this is what do we call the office entrance, which I built over the last couple of years. And then there's a dining room addition I did. And the entrance addition. There's still 2 more major projects coming up, which will hopefully tie the house together more. And then this is planter boxes I built this summer. Banana tree, which is on its way out. And this is what I call a warm frame, because it's a planter box that's below ground. It extends 2 feet down, and it's insulated on all sides, and has these water canisters for heat storage. I'm still working at their promise of pressure. And that's the entrance. The house extended to right to the middle of this room originally, and I always wanted to have a windlock room, not go straight into the house, so that's what it does. And then that extends into the kitchen, which used to be 2 rooms with a flat ceiling. It's not done yet, and it's messy. You can still see construction materials all over the place. And that's the dining room with the addition here. And early on I built this hearth and for the fire stove, and then that round niche is for future spiral stairs to a future upper floor. This is the entrance or stairwell at the office entry. It used to be a jacuzzi room. I took the jacuzzi out, put in the stairs, built a bridge to connect to what used to be an apartment over the garage, which is my office now. And this is a cast in place concrete door, 21 inch by 9 inch cross section. It took me 7 weeks to build the form and 1 day to pour it. I bought a concrete mixer just for that project. I'll show you my messy office real quick. It's nearly complete. So that's my office desk. That I built in place. Put in a skylight up here. Light table. And I'm overloaded with drawings. They will go into a storage below the stairs once the stairs are done. And I have a guest bed. That's where one of my sons stays. And I put in a little bath here. No shower.